Pasyal muna tayo.
Di pa kilala. Kulay masyado ka makulay.
Pakulay na buhay.
Kaya tayo kasi
Unicorn.
Uniqlo. Ang bago dito. Para akong ang tawag dito?
$49. Ito lang ako. Ganda. Maganda yung tela niya. Mura lang. Pwede rin pang work. Okay ito. Zipper pa. Babalikan kita. Mag-sale, pantayin natin.
They're gonna be like, okay, yeah, you know, my It's like.
Coca.
Wala kang kokak.
Coca.
Wala na yung mga nagsusugal dito, no? Kaya pinatanggal na raw eh. Dami.
Coca natin yung address nito ang bahay.
Ayun, no? Konti lang tao ngayon.
Wala po pwede.
Oo. Sila, ano pala, pumunta yata. Nagkain sila. Sila Tess, tsaka si Josie. Ni Kenny daw. Sabi ko, hindi ko kayo nakita. Umuwi na raw sila sa glit lang.
Wednesday, sila doon, di ba?
Panty! Tanong ko kung ano. Hi. Do you have a holder for this? Hold. You okay? Holder. Like clip holder. Samsung S Plus 10.
S10 Plus?
S10
You
Plus.
mean just the holder or complete?
Just the holder. Yeah, you sold me like before, you remember? It yeah, broken already. Yeah, I bought one, $5. Yeah, you yeah. Same thing that you gave me before.
Oh.
Same? $5 still?
$10.
Oh, you said 5 before.
Okay, fine.
Okay. And one more for the Samsung. For the iPhone.
iPhone.
Yeah. Kasi dito ako bumili.
Can you please check if it works?
No. Bigger. Okay.
So, do you want to replace this camera lens?
No, it's okay na. That is like. Paying $10. Pay $10.
Just give me 1 moment. I'll check with my. I think it's $10 each.
Yeah, no, you said, remember, you forgot.
I just wanted to check, like, for these screen cases, we just have the clip, right? How much each one? For the screen case, only clip. Yeah. One is for Samsung S10 Plus, one for 13 Pro Max. 15 for both or each?
I bought him the last
Saying
time.
$5.
The guy.
They're saying you sold it for 5. Yeah. Okay. No, it's 25 for both. Like we sell 15 each, but if you take both, 25.
Ayaw ko naman. Sira na eh. Oh. No, no. It's okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Okay. We're good? Okay. Yung case na ano. Bago. O, yari ka. Mapabili ka niyan. Mapapabili ka niyan.
Nag-posted si
Sino?
Ate Sylvia eh.
Saan?
Sa
Sa strike? iPhone 15. Kailan darating yung iPhone ko?
dumating na.
Ha?
Maraming complain na umiingat daw.
Dumating na iPhone mo?
Wala akong hindi mo nakamag-order.
Saan yung sa'yo?
Wala akong pambili.
Ay.
Tapos wala ka pang trabaho, 3 days kayo nasa akin. I hate you. Stop. Wala ka pang trabaho, days. Kulang pa yung pasok na. Three and 3. 2 days short. 2 days short na, darling. Tapos last time, puro sakit ka pa. Sakit, abstinent. Kaya nga, di naman na. Kapag kapag nagigising ng maaga, na
Baka mo yun. Walang tao mga kapaibigan dito sa mall. Sarado.
wala ang daw sa mall.
Okay. That's it.
Walang walk lang.